In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and enroll in free courses on Udemy that can help you expand your skills and knowledge without spending a dime. Whether you're looking to learn a new programming language, explore creative arts, or dive into personal development, Udemy offers a variety of courses that cater to all sorts of interests. Let's get started. First, the initial step is to open your web browser. Type Udemy into your search bar and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Udemy homepage, which is brimming with possibilities. If this is your first time exploring online courses, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Notice the search bar at the top. It's your key to accessing a vast repository of learning opportunities. Now click on that search bar and enter the topic you're interested in. This could be anything from digital marketing to yoga, depending on what you've set your sights on. The search feature is quite intuitive, offering suggestions if you're unsure of the exact phrasing. Once you've entered your desired topic, press enter and watch as a myriad of courses appear before you. Here's where the magic happens. After you have your search results, direct your attention to the All Filters option, which is prominently displayed. Click on it and you'll see a range of filters that allow you to refine your search. Scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where you'll find the price filter. Click it and you'll be given a choice, either to display paid courses, free courses, or both. To find those precious gems that require no financial commitment, select free. Udemy has a wide array of free courses, and it's astonishing how much high-quality content is available at no cost whatsoever. Once you set the filter to free, take a moment to browse the courses that now populate your screen. Pay attention to the course ratings and the number of students enrolled. These are good indicators of the course's quality. Additionally, spend a few minutes reading the course description to ensure it aligns with what you hope to learn. When you find a course that catches your eye, click on it. You'll be taken to the course's main page. Here, you can review the syllabus, see who the instructor is, and even watch a preview of the content. If all seems to your liking, simply click Enroll Now or Start Free Course. From here, you'll either be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll have full access to the course material, and you're all set to start learning at your own pace. That's it. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to explore Udemy's free offerings and find courses that will help you grow both personally and professionally. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.